Hi, this is Vasagi, working as Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Application, JJ College of Arts and Science. I am proud to be work as Assistant Professor in JJ College. I am going to discuss about multimedia. Introduction about multimedia. The term multimedia is splitted into two. One is multi, another one is media. Multi means many or multiple. What is many or multiple? We are going to use audio, graphics, image, video, animation. Through that, we are going to develop a multimedia project. Media is nothing but medium of communication. Next one is definition of multimedia. Multimedia is a combination of text, graphics, sound, animation, and video that is delivered very interactive in nature with the help of electronic or in the digital form. History of multimedia. Newspaper was the first mass communication medium, and in the year of 1830 the motion pictures was developed, but it is too rapid for the human eye. In the year of 1895, Marconi was developed the wireless radio transmission, and in the 20th century, television was introduced. Next one, what are the categories of multimedia? It is categorized into two. First one is linear and second one is non-linear. In the categorization linear, it progress without help of human. It automatically work. Example is cinema. And second one is non-linear. The user action is very much needed to progress the multimedia project or any web page creation. For example, hypermedia. If you take the case of hypermedia, what does mean by hyper? If you can see lot of text that is in the document, that is in the word. This is called as text. The same thing that is available in the web page, we can say hyper. All the hypermedia is controlled by HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol. If you're saying links in a web page, the links are used to move from one page to another page. For example, you want to move from one page to another page, you must click the particular link. Then only we can able to move. So this is one of the example for the non-linear. And if you take the case of mobile game, computer game, if you want to play such games, you must press the particular key to work with the game. Otherwise, it won't work. So this is another example for non-linear. What are the characteristics of multimedia system? There are four basic characteristics. First one is computer controlled. All the multimedia system must be controlled by the computer, and it is integrated with audio, video, graphics, text, etc. And every information that is represented in the multimedia system in the form of digital, not in the form of analog. Analog means it is only voice over. Digital means we can able to see whatever displayed in the multimedia enabled system or in the computer. And next one is interactive. Next one is format used in multimedia. What are the formats generally used in multimedia enabled software or project or in the web pages? First format is .mov. Move is used to lay up, capture film and song in order. And another one is .mp4. It is as same as .move, but what is the difference between .move and .mp4 is the roughly added metadata is available in .mp4. What is meant by metadata? Metadata is data about data or description about data is available within the data. And .vob. VOB is a video object. It is located in the DVD and it is used to specify the documents available in the DVD. And fourth one is 3GP. It is used in PC and VLC, real player, GOM players. These are the players, music players used in the PC. And the next one is FLV. It is especially used in the Macromedia flash player. And the next one is MPEG. It is used to align the compression methods not only for the audio as well as it is used in the visual data also or video. And next one is applications. First application is commercial. If you take the case of commercial application, for example, you are seeing such advertisement in the television. Immediately you are googling about that advertisement in the YouTube or in a web page. Why? Because you are attracted by the advertisement. That's why you are using this application. This is the commercial application. And next one is entertainment. In television we are using cartoons and we are seeing cartoons and serials. All those things, they are enabled with multimedia application. And next one is education. In the education there is a special technology called as CBT to be used. What is CBT? CBT means computer based technology. From that education, nowadays all the education done through online with multimedia enabled application. From that the students can able to learn the particular subject easily with the interactive multimedia enabled application. And fourth one is engineering. In the engineering field, they can simulate whatever product, whether it may be in the civil engineering or it may be in the mechanical engineering. They can simulate all the products with the help of multimedia enabled software. And next one is industry. Lot of industries are available in mostly all the industry. They want to attract the customer. They are using the multimedia application. If you take the case of business, the shareholders want to know inflation rate, deflation rate, and what is the stock value, what is the share value, whether it's going good or no, not everything they are identified through such graphs with interactive representation through multimedia enabled application. And in the sixth one, mathematical and scientific research. Nowadays, the tiny virus is affecting all the people. It's not differentiating rich and the poor. The tiny virus we can know from the multimedia, or that is in the TV or in the computer or in the YouTube. It is considered as crown like creature. How come we are knowing all those things? So through this multimedia. And next one is medicine. In the medicine, there are doctors practicing all the operation with the simulated applications of virtual reality operation. And next one is multimedia in public places. In the multimedia in the public places, if you take the case of railway station or it is in the bus stand, all the in all places we don't know. If you're new to the particular place, we don't know where to go the restaurant, where the place will be available. Everything will be displayed as a multimedia enabled software application. From that we can know the exact way where we have to go.